Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to show you guys how to go ahead and create a pipeline job in Jenkins. To create a pipeline job in Jenkins is as simple. You just have to go to new item, then you put the job name you want to create. Let's call it pipeline. Then you come here, you choose pipeline. Okay, and that's it. Now you have to come down here. For example, you can either enter your pipeline here, or you can try one of the pipeline from here. So let's try this pipeline called Hello World. It's going to give us a simple pipeline here. If I apply and save, and I come here and build the job, it will create a simple pipeline Hello for us. Now, this is a pipeline with one stage. This stage is called Hello. And if you want, we can basically add more stage. For example, if I copy this, let's try to add more stage. If I copy this here, as you guys can see, I have one stage here called Hello. So I can create another stage. There will be a video that I'm going to teach you guys how to write Jenkins file. So I can create another stage here, second stage, and probably a third stage. So let's give him checkout, build, test, staging, production. So let's change the name. So let's call this one, for example, checkout. Let's call this one, for example, build. Let's call this one, for example, tests. And we go all over all this in our next videos. And let's call this one production. So I can copy this and pass this console. So we use this console only for testing, right? So in production, we are going to use something called Jenkins file, which I'm going to teach you guys how to hook a Jenkins file here. So if I apply and save and build, it will give us more stages. So you guys can see the checkout stage, the build stage, the test stage, the production stage. So this is what is called Jenkins pipeline. That's how you create a simple Jenkins pipeline. And like I said, this pipeline is just for testing, because in production, the way we create pipeline is different. It's like different. So in our next video, we will talk about it. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.